What's going on, you guys? It is Jacob back on your screen, bringing you another video in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you're in here, make sure you subscribe down below to join the Jacob crew today. And today we have to head to the bank because I heard there's no money in there. So we're gonna go and get a cup of coffee because I have been doing a lot of things on my busy day. And now I got my drink of coffee. And today we're going to be driving our beautiful Tesla Model 3. I just charged it up already, so it's all ready to go. And that ambulance is trying to go. Excuse me! Out of my way! Excuse me. Sir, you have no opportunity to park. Excuse me! Sir! Get back here! Sir! What are you doing in my property? I'm on my way to the bank. See ya! Alright guys, we had to talk with the ambulance, so we're gonna head back on the road to the bank. Leave a comment down below with your favorite thing to do on your summer break. And the weather right now is currently so sunny. We're running on the road all the way down to the Fox Bank, and we may have to take a U-turn. Alright, we're about to reach a U-turn, so we're going to take a U-turn on the road. Slowing the car down, and we're starting to turn. Whoa! Oh my word. I need to go to Winnie and I need to go to Jacob in the driving school. Alright. Now we're going down the road all the way down to Fox Bank, and we're on our way. And I'm also gonna walk the house so no one gets in. Whoa! And there's the Fox Bank right over there. That guy is driving like a maniac. He needs to go back to Jacob in driving school. Excuse me! Don't honking at me! The Fox break, and now we're parking. Why would they honk at me? Alright, now we're going in. The Fox Bank is open. Okay, now I'm gonna store money in the safe. And now I stored all the money in a safe, so I'm gonna head home now. It has been a great day. Guys, do you feel that? Earthquake! Everyone get back home! Whoa! Go, go, go. Oh gosh. We need to get out of here. Go, go, go. Earthquakes are about to form any minute. No. I'm gonna park my Tesla in the garage. Everyone, in your house! I'm gonna unlock the door and run. Whoa! I'm gonna check the notification right now. Earthquake is good. We're able to leave. Thank the Lord. I'm going to head to the Twist to get my yummy ice cream. Leave a comment down below what your favorite dessert is. You like ice cream, pie, or cupcake. Alright, we're running on the road. Okay, now we're rolling down the road, all the way down to the twist. And now we're on our way down the road to the twist at super speed. Whoa! Alright, there's that guy in that twist. He needs to go back to my driving seat. Excuse me! Sir, pull over! I'm gonna try to start that right now. Whoa! I need to watch where I'm driving. Sir, get back there! Whoa! We're gonna take a shortcut. There he is. Sir! Pull over! He's getting away! All units, we're catching a black car that is on the loose. All units. We'll run down the road all the way down to the Wisconsin State Patrol to get my job. Where is that guy? Where could he be? I'm gonna go and get my yummy ice cream. Whoa! 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 Now we're heading to the twist and getting a yummy ice cream. There's that black Porsche. Excuse me! Sir! Any reason? Sir! Sir! Do you know why you are stopped today? Do you know why you're being stopped today, sir? Any reason? Sir, any reason? Sir, any reason you were being stopped today? Do you know why? Your black Porsche went too fast to catch up with my Tesla Model 3. Sir, you're going with me. Oh, there's that black car that ran away. You're not a cop. Sir! Excuse me! Sir, any reason? Sir, I am. Sir. We are not having a car show. Sir, we're not having a car show. Sir, we are not having a car show. Thank you, sir. You're free to go. I'm gonna go and get into the twist job so I can serve ice cream. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the twist. How can I help? Hello, ma'am. Okay. Your total today will be $6.24 today, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. Let me get your drink. She wanted a Coke. And she wanted this milk ice cream. Have a good day, ma'am. Next in line, please. Hello, sir. What kind of ice cream would you like today? Alright, he wanted a rainbow, red, white, and blue popsicle, and a cup of coffee. Alright, your change today will be $49.87 today, sir. Alright, sir, let me get your food real quick. He wanted a red, white, and blue popsicle, and he wanted a cup of coffee. Here you go, sir. Have a good day. Well, I'm all tired out, so you're welcome, sir. Alright, now we're heading back home. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Jacob crew today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.